Hello everyone, it's Tiffy here, coming to you with another Tiffy Tries. Today I am trying something new. I've seen so many people posting about these Crocs and these blinged out Crocs and these custom Crocs, and I am very excited. And so I bought Crocs, and I bought red ones because red is my favorite color, and I wanted to create something that made a statement but also was true to myself. And I will put in two links in the bottom. One is the link to my Crocs, which I bought from Amazon, and the link to those Crocs will be down there. The other thing is I also purchased these customizable buttons. You can see that, these customizable buttons that have just different variety of statements, such as this one says like Black Lives Matter. If you can see that. Excuse my nails, I'm getting them done tomorrow. This is like a black queen, a little girl with a crown on her head. This is Nipsey. We got Tupac and Biggie on here. We have a queen with some like big glasses, which I definitely identify and resonate with, and big earrings. We have the Black Lives Matter button. We have a lot of things. There's also these two, which I really love. I'll definitely use these. Black King, Queen with a fist. So I am going to create my Crocs using this customizable buttons. I'll show you the back of the buttons. They just go right into the hole. And so I'm going to show you how I'm going to customize my Crocs so that I am ready for vacation mode. So first I'm going to separate my buttons based on what I want on each shoe. So here you can see me just moving some buttons on one side that I want to put on my left shoe and moving buttons on the other side that I want to put on my right shoe. I'm not going to be able to fit all of the buttons, but I can change them out as I please. In this quick section, you can see me popping the buttons into the holes of the front of the Crocs. Now, as I am positioning certain buttons where I want them to go, I'm moving and positioning them just to make sure that they all fit. Because you can find if you put too much in one spot or too, based on the size of the button, you just want to make sure that they'll fit in the hole. So I'm like taking some out and positioning them in different places just to make sure they all fit and they look nice. Now, as I said, I love Crocs. Before this, I never had a pair of Crocs, but my boyfriend always has Crocs and he absolutely loves them. They're very comfortable. They're great for traveling, especially if you're going on a vacation. You can pop these on and get right on a flight. You could wear socks with them. It doesn't matter, but they are very, very comfortable shoes to walk in. And I absolutely love them. I wore them on vacation, and I'll show you some of those pics of me on vacation with them on. Yeah, so this is how I am adding the buttons to my Crocs. Hey sunshines. So to close out this video, I wanted to once again show you my new Crocs that have been customized. I might add some bling or some things like that in the future, but for right now, this is really good. I am currently loving the movement and the excitement and the happiness that is Black people, and I'm a part of that community. And so if you like these Crocs, if you want to get Crocs and you want to bejewel or bedazzle your Crocs or customize your Crocs to meet your personality, the links are below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and sign up for notifications for my YouTube channel. It's been 8 months of me doing this, and I really appreciate all of my followers and everyone that supports me with this YouTube journey. I don't have 1,000 followers, and I'm gonna grind and hustle till I get there. So if you have yet to subscribe, please make sure you do. The road is to 1,000 and then more, and then I will be able to continue to provide you with some great looks and some great tries. Have a great day. Make sure you are the sunshine on a rainy day, because today was a little rainy. Shout out to my grandmother. Happy birthday, Grandma. If you want to see our interview together. I'll have that posted for you after the end of this video, excuse me. It's late and I'm tired, but I'm about to go on vacation and I got my Crocs. Bye everyone.